So this is a quick little blib about what has just happened a moment ago, and then we're going to get into this video. I've now been offered a position at this place I've been promoting this hair for, so I'm ending this on a awesome note. So it was persistence and belief in myself and God that, you know, I wasn't being pushed in a direction, but a path was laid out for me to follow. That's the best way I can say it. And I followed it. And I've been following it. And you know when you're following it. You know when you're following it. You can't always tell when you get off of it, but you know when you're following it. And so just follow your path, man. And I don't know, I just feel like I had to say that because I get discouraged by so many people and things all the time. Like, I get lots of encouragement, but like some of the people who are supposed to have your back don't show that they truly do. They may have it in some aspect, but when it comes to like your dreams and stuff, I've been feeling like I feel like there's one person who really believes in me, Brian Shink. I have to give him a shout out because he encouraged me to move to Philadelphia and get involved with my art, and then that just kind of woke me back up and just got me back to who I am as who I am. Yeah, I am what I am. That is an actual correct grammar for saying I am what I am. As Papa used to say, I am what I am. And I was getting off of who I was, so now I feel like I'm back. And this is just confirmation of bigger things. This, my subscribers, this channel, the support that I'm getting from my views, like, you guys are like helping me become better. So I just want to thank my subscribers and my viewers. So please share, like, watch, and thank you. And we'll see you in my next video. This unit, and it is a human hair unit, and it is actually relaxed hair. So it was at one point kinky curly, and then it was chemically relaxed and colored. So this hair does have a lot going on with it. It does. So I have to be kind of careful with this not to damage it. It's not synthetic, and I can damage this and get split ends and is ruin it. I can ruin it if I don't treat it right. But I paid $14 for this unit. Human hair unit, lace front, 4-inch part, center part, $14 at A&B Beauty Supply Store in Wilton Manors, Florida. So guys, this is my other unit that I was talking about, and if you want to learn more about it, just stay tuned. Of my hair when I had it relaxed. I would not straighten it every day. I wouldn't put heat to it every day. I would condition it every day, and then I would just let it air dry or blow dry just a little bit, because if you blow dry it too much it would get frizzy. And this is like the wave that it would have. This is the wave that it would have. And I mean, this is so dead on. What's the word? Surreal. This is like surreal to me right now that I'm wearing this unit and it looks. The only difference is my hair was not this color, but the texture, the wave, everything. I'm impressed. I'll give you the details about this unit. Okay guys, so the store has about two sides. One side they have the hair extensions, units, kits. You can get your kits here. And this side is the markdown side to me. Like I got this badass, I'll show you guys in another video, this unit that was human hair. I got it for like $9. I got it for $9. Like this human hair wig, $9, and it's badass. Like I got this badass unit that was human hair. I got it for like $9. I got it for $9. Like this human hair wig, $9, and it's $9. It's badass. So I'm wearing the unit that I got here. If you want to find a fairly priced unit that is bomb like this one, the place to go. ABC Beauty Supply and 99-cent store. Should I say more? Guys, when I say this unit is giving me my whole entire life, it is giving me my whole entire life. Oh my gosh. $14? ABC, Beauty Supply, you did that. You did that. Thank you. Okay guys, so after I washed this unit and conditioned it, I was so impressed that I just had to go show it. Like I just left my house and just had to come take a walk down the strip just to show off this gorgeous hair. Like, I mean, come on. You can't look at this. Guys, like, kudos to you. Kudos to you, my friend. So go check them out. They are at 74 Oakland Park Boulevard in Wilton Manors, Florida, serving the South Florida area, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. You know where Wilton Manors is, so give them a walk through, browse their mini selections at their super duper better than online prices.